Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Jar spatula. Set includes small spatula, jar spatula. Small spatula is ideal for use with saucepans and small mixing bowls. Jar spatula reaches into skinny jars, blenders, food processors, and other tight spaces to clear out ingredients. Flexible edges are polished and beveled to get every bit from bowls and jars. Long handles have a sturdy nylon core and soft, non-slip grip. Non-scratch, heat-resistant silicone construction is dishwasher safe. Oil sprayer. Oil control. Our olive oil sprayer delivers a consistent, ultra-fine spray with an advanced fan spray atomizing nozzle to provide precise oil mist for even coverage. One full stroke sprays approximately 1 gram, 0.04 ounce of cooking oil to control your daily intake of calories. Versatile oil sprayer works with all types of cooking liquids such as olive oil, avocado oil, soy sauce, wine, canola oil, water, and more. Makes frying, grilling, baking, seasoning, salad dressing, air frying, drizzling, and following calorie-controlled recipes easier. Design. The oil spray bottle, built-in filter system to avoid clogging the nozzle, and is leak-proof with an anti-drip trigger. The unique buckle design prevents accidental oil leakage, making it convenient to carry for outdoor activities like BBQs and picnics. Chicken shredder. Upgraded chicken shredder. Compared with the old chicken shredder, we have changed the inner shred structure and strong anti-slip strip, more effective and saves time. We do not worry about sliding away from our kitchen desks again. The flower appearance design and the transparent lid add polka dots seem like a beautiful flower to bloom. Shredded meat in seconds. The meat machine built-in plastic teeth that cover the whole area, which can tightly clamp the food. The lid has extra spikes on the edge, which help meat gather the shredded meat in the middle, cutting it evenly. The tool is applied with an ergonomic handle and an anti-slip base, ensuring comfort and easy operation even during heavy use. These updated structure designs can make your cooking tasks more efficient. Simply place the blade in each of the slots and gently pull the knife through a few times for fast, effective sharpening. Cut-resistant glove included. At Kitchalence, we put the safety of our customers above all else. Designed with a non-slip base, our kitchen knife sharpener offers comfortable control while you work. We're even including a cut-resistant glove for added safety. Paper towel holder. Material made by premium stainless steel with matte black finish, rust-proof and waterproof to ensure long-time use. Dimensions LDH 6.7, 6.11.8 inches. It's suitable for every standard kitchen roll. Easy to use. Put any size or brand of tissue paper into the rod and tear the paper from bottom to top. The design helps keep roll paper from unraveling and keep your table tidy and organized. Stable base. The paper towel holder has a weighted base, can help you one-hand operate easily, and a non-slip silicone pad is added on the bottom to stay the paper towel holder in place when you are tearing paper sheets. It also prevents the mental scratching of your countertop. Food scale. Kitchen must-have. Friedel's digital food scale with removable bowl and measuring cup is the kitchen gadget you didn't know you needed for all your cooking, baking, meal prep, and food weighing needs. High-precision scale. Accurately measure wet and dry ingredients in 1 gram 0.1 ounce increments so you don't miss a gram or ounce in your cooking and baking. It easily converts to G-pods, F-pods, and ml. Multifunctional. This digital kitchen scale includes a large, detachable stainless steel egg cooker, Kawu egg cooker, Kawu egg boiler, priority launch egg cooker, 4 egg on egg rack every time, plus 2 egg in egg bowl every time. Kawu egg cookers will put various sizes. As we all know, on the market from small egg cooker models to large 14 egg capacity ones. Consider almost daily typical needs. Kawu egg cooker is also a yogurt maker, your great choice for making nutritious breakfast anytime and anywhere. 2025 Jar Vacuum Sealer. Suitable for 2 types of mason jars. The electric mason jar vacuum sealer contains 2 sizes of mouth seals for your daily use. To get the standard mouth seal jar, simply insert the red arrow on the standard mouth seal converter. Align it with the unlock symbol on the main unit, and then insert it inside the silicone ring in the wide mouth seal area and tighten it clockwise. At this point, the arrow is aligned with the lock symbol, which indicates a successful installation. For all your vacuum sealing needs, includes an electric vacuum sealer containing a wide mouth sealer, a standard mouth seal converter, 5 wide mouth mason jar lids, and 5 regular mouth mason jar lids, and user guide. Our food vacuum sealer kit will help you remove the air from your mason jars and extend the life of your stored food. Easy to use, the cordless vacuum sealer with standard mouth sealer converter kit is suitable for wide mouth and regular mouth mason jars not included. Make sure the electric vacuum sealer is centered and pressed firmly against the lid of the jar. Vegetable peelers. Peelers for kitchen set include the 3-in-1 multifunctional Y vegetable peeler and I potato peelers. Upgrade precision stainless steel blades, stronger and sharper, smooth effortless peeling. Gank 3-in-1 vegetable peelers, standard blades, suitable for peeling hard peel. Serrated blade is more suitable for peeling soft fruit peel or smooth hard peel. As tomato apple peeler. Julienne peeler, Julienne carrot for make veggie salt have never been so simple. Juicer machines. Easy prep. The wide 4-point feed chute fits whole fruits and veggies, letting you skip the time-consuming prep work. Thoughtful design. The 41-ounce hopper and self-feeding function let you load all your ingredients at once and juice multiple items in minutes. Preserve flavor and nutrients. The low-speed auger, under 75 RPM, preserves nutrients and flavor by minimizing oxidation and heat buildup. Anti-drip spout. The anti-drip spout reduces mess and cleanup, plus you can close it for blending juices without spills. Simple operation. One knob for on-off and reverse makes this juicer easy to use with minimal effort. Quick and easy cleaning. Disassemble in 3 simple steps and use the included brush for quick, hassle-free cleaning. Toaster tongs. Meet Bernie, the bunniest toaster tongs ever. Made by design-awarded Ototo Studio, Bernie the bunny-shaped toaster tongs are ready to conquer even the toughest of hurdles. Once the toast is ready, he'll hop in to serve your breakfast. Comfiest non-slip grip. Don't ever stress about the mess with Bernie. Made from non-slip and heat-resistant beechwood material, our mini tongs for appetizers offer an ergonomic and secure grip that can help you grab toast